Hi, my name is Lanisha Paris, and I'm in 9 a.m. to 1 p.m. Fundamentals of Physics class, Section 1. What I'm going to be doing today is separating lights into colors. And we're not going to use any of those prisms that when you strike light with it, rainbows come out. Instead, we'll be using clear nail polish and this bowl of water and the lights in the room, because we can't separate lights into colors if there's no lights. Okay, first we need to understand what lights and colors do and how they're associated with each other. You see, lights have all of the colors. Look, all 7 of them. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and violet. And the reason we see colors is because there's colors being absorbed and colors being reflected into our eyes so that we can see them. Like my red shirt, for example. All the 7 colors in white light, which can come from any light source, like sunlight, for example, all of the colors are striking this shirt, but only 6 out of the 7 are being absorbed. Now, the color red is the only one being reflected. It is reflected and goes into our eyes, and we see this shirt as being red. Now for black, all of the colors are being absorbed, so we didn't see any colors from it. Black is not a color. So if your art teacher tells you that black is not a color, it's not a color. Same thing goes for white, only it's the opposite. All of the colors are being reflected. So that's why you see it as white. You're actually seeing white light. All right, so onward to our experiment. Let's separate some lights. All right, just drop some nail polish in here. What the nail polish is going to do is make a film on the surface of the water. And the light's going to come down at an angle and strike the bottom of the film. It's going to enter and strike the bottom of the film. And it's reflected off the bottom of the film and comes out. The reason we see the colors in the film on top of the water is because the lights are overlapping each other as the rays are coming in and some are reflecting out and they meet. That's why we see colors. Let me just show you what I mean so you can see the film. Might be a little hard for you to see on here since the whole lights and everything, but it's there. It's there. It's just really hard to see with like the cameras and everything, but the film is there. Well, maybe if I show you at a different angle. If you can see it, like you see like the little film and everything, right? And you might be able to see like a little bit of spectrum around it, which is commonly known as a rainbow. It's a little difficult to see with the cameras, but you know it's there. The experiment's really easy, it's very inexpensive, and anybody can do it at home in case you're curious and want to know what it looks like for yourself. So, hope this has been entertaining and educational. And that is my podcast.